Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce insurance costs with Progressive, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce insurance costs with Progressive, start by visiting their official website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the auto insurance section. Here, you can enter your vehicle details to receive a personalized quote. Make sure to provide accurate information about your driving history and vehicle usage. After receiving the initial quote, explore various coverage options. Consider adjusting your deductibles to lower your premium. Higher deductibles often reduce your monthly payments. Next, look for any available discounts. Progressive offers various discounts for safe driving, bundling policies, and more. Make sure to apply any relevant discounts to your quote. You can also consider the Snapshot program for additional savings. This program tracks your driving habits and rewards safe driving with potential discounts. If you have multiple vehicles, consider bundling them under one policy. This can lead to significant savings on each vehicle's premium. You might also want to evaluate your current coverage. If you're overinsured, reducing coverage can help lower costs. Review your policy details annually to ensure they meet your current needs. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out to a Progressive agent. Agents can provide further assistance and help you find the best options for your budget. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your insurance costs with Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.